All right, guys, so now what we're doing is we're actually squaring up the greenhouse. Now, since it's 16 foot wide by 16 foot long, this point right here is actually the high point of the house because there's an 11-inch slope right now. So what we did is we went ahead and put our corner post right here, our ground stake, measured 16 foot across. And then if you see right here, the diagonal strip that we have going across, measuring tape, that diagonal, which we provide for you, actually needs to be 22 foot 7 inches. And whenever you meet that diagonal on both ways in almost like an X, then it's going to be squared up correctly. So now that we got the greenhouse squared up on all four corners, we're going to start driving the correct depth. As you can see, we're actually working on a 22-inch slope right now, which is a lot for a 16-foot house. But our guys are making it happen, and what they're doing is driving down. That way it goes completely level for the homeowner. All right, so now we've gotten the greenhouse leveled up. What we did is we stretched lines all the way around the perimeter and set up the levels where it needed to be. And then we went through with a can of spray paint every 4 foot. This is on 4 foot centers. And if you see here, we marked every 4 foot, and that's where our ground stakes are going to be going. All right, now as you can see, after we got the ground stakes in the ground, it creates this mushroom on the top. Not a problem. What we're gonna do is you can either take a Sawzall or a bandsaw, and we've already made our mark, and we're gonna cut it flush right there to where it's a fresh, new, clean looking cut.